उदयवीर सिंह बिंद्रा जी को मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी और इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाइए क्योंकि ये ही इज द एपिटमी ऑफ सब्सटेंस एंड थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपने आयोजित किया है ऐसा कार्यक्रम एंड वी आर सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हियरिंग योर स्पीच.
The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. A very good afternoon everyone. Today when I stand on the platform of Global Empire Events, the GEE, addressing the greatest entrepreneurs and educators through the Icons of Asia and Women Leaders Forum, I feel accomplished. Not successful, but accomplished because I feel to be in a place where so many successful people are sitting, and for me that is no short of any accomplishment. And I would request every one of you to clap for your achievements and your presence which has made this platform bigger and better. So moving ahead and talking about having an entrepreneurial mindset. I wish to every one of you to be an entrepreneurial human being in your thinking, and I'll share a small example how. Every one of you should have 3 factories in yourself. It will bring to you the 4th best factory, and that one can which no money or wealth can bring to you. First is the ice cream factory. So I'll just request everyone to let me know that how many of you like ice cream over here. Please raise your hands. So it's but obvious that everyone likes ice cream. So why I mentioned ice cream factory is that when you have an ice cream factory in your mind, you'll be calm and composed whatever the situation, because responding in anger is never a solution. And second factory is the sugar factory. Sugar factory should be for your tongue. Speak nicely and sweetly with everyone. कोई आपसे अच्छे से बात नहीं कर रहा, that portrays their output, not yours. Third factory is the love factory, which should be in your heart. And the love for the people around you, and with the people who are around you, you should care for them who care for you and love them genuinely and reciprocate them with more care. And when you have the ice cream factory in your head, the sugar factory on your tongue and love factory in your heart, you will have the 4th best factory, that is satisfactory. So satisfaction is the best thing. Satisfaction is the one thing that when one human can get is satisfaction. You cannot get it with any money or any wealth. And now moving ahead and talking about my own enterprising business, that is the BizNation TV, the backbone of Global Empire Events, because of which we have all gathered here. BizNation TV is the core team of marketing, digital marketing and the pillar. And in today's era of entrepreneurship and marketing, I believe that we don't have a choice on whether we do social media, whether we advertise our business on social media or not, but the question is how well we advertise our business. So how well we do it at BizNation TV? In MBA, the first chapter we read is जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. BizNation TV is a live example for that, and I stand before you to portray that. And BizNation TV being a live example, and every one of you attending the conference today, you all connected with us because of our visibility on social media, because of our visibility through our digital marketing, and it was all done by BizNation TV. Be it targeting specific audience related to business on Facebook and Instagram, generating leads, social media marketing, search engine optimization, Google Ads, graphic designing, you name it, and BizNation TV has all the services being offered under digital marketing. All the designing you see here on the stage, on the photo booths, everything has been done in-house through the team of the BizNation TV. And we believe in brand building and creating brand, and would like to be at your service through our digital marketing strategies and service. Let's grow your brand together with BizNation TV. And before I take your leave, I'll also like to mention that we have created a small initiative from our end today that we'll want to distribute knowledge through our platform. The utmost superior knowledge of Bhagavad Gita we'll be distributing to all the delegates who have joined us today with folded hands. Thank you so much.